Hello dear friends, welcome to our channel Easy Learning with Annie. Today we are going to learn and write speech on Defense Day. So let's start the video. बाजू तेरा तौहीद की कुव्वत से कवी है, बाजू तेरा तौहीद की कुव्वत से कवी है, इस्लाम तेरा देश है, तू मुस्तफ़ी है. Honorable Chief Guest, our respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today the topic of my speech is Defense Day of Pakistan. Today is the 6th of September. We proudly celebrate it as Defense Day of our sweet motherland. The entire world knows that in 1965 how the fearless, courageous and daring tigers of Pakistan Army crushed the planned, organized and secret aggression of the enemy. शहीदाने वतन के हौसले थे दीद के काबिल, शहीदाने वतन के हौसले थे दीद के काबिल, वहाँ पर शुक्र करते थे जहाँ पर सब्र मुश्किल था. Dear brothers and sisters, Pakistan was not had as a charity. It was not made to secure land and it not made in a day. Pakistan is a result of Islamic ideology. Its foundation lies in the two-nation theory of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, in the efforts of Ali brothers, in the bold step of Maulvi Fazlul Haq, in the dream of Allama Muhammad Iqbal, and finally in the undefeatable leadership of Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. तेगों के साए में हम पल कर जवां हुए हैं, तेगों के साए में हम पल कर जवां हुए हैं, खंजर हलाल का है कौमी निशान हमारा. Respected principal, Hindus still continued their fake pride of numerous strength in the minds, so their hearts did not accept Pakistan as prospering. In short, they did their best and attacked Pakistan in 1965 with their full might in the darkness of midnight. Pakistan was far scattered, but its people were one, the Muslims. Dear fellows, being the young falcons, let's aim together. We shall work hard with honor, dignity and sense of pride. Pakistan Zindabad. Thank you for watching and listening. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and also